Make a great choice today with the 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console, panic alarm, heated front seats, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.